Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm going to be doing this mint cut crease look today using the new Venus collection by Lime Crime. I love this look. It was honestly kind of like more inspired by my mom because when I was younger, she used to wear this color all the time and it always looked so pretty on her, and I always wanted to grow up to be able to do my makeup like this one day, and here I am finally doing it. So shout out to my mom. I love this mint color. It's so pretty. So if you guys want to see how I liked this palette, this collection that they just came out with, then just keep on watching. So we are going to be starting off by doing our foundation. I did my brows, of course. I spray tan. I'm trying to be tan for all 2019. Freaking love being tan. But my face, since I exfoliate like almost every single day when I wash my face, she's white. So today I'm going to be trying out all completely new different products. So I'm going to be trying the new Too Faced Do You foundation. This is so pretty. I love the packaging, so I'm very excited to see how this turns out. So this one is in the shade Golden Beige, so I'm just going to take a little bit like that in the back of my hand. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. What the heck? And I'm also going to be using my Juno sponge. This and the LA Girl sponge has to be my favorite. It's a thick consistency, okay? So this one's in the shade Golden Beige. I'm not sure it's gonna be too light, but hopefully it does oxidize in this situation because I need it to match perfectly and I'm looking a little white. All right guys, good thing. This foundation feels so good on my face, very light. Definitely makes me look really dewy. I love this color. It is a perfect match, so it did oxidize a bit. So I would recommend that you guys get a shade lighter because it will oxidize. It will get darker over time. Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. This stuff is so good. Look at how effortlessly this sponge blends. By the way, my dog bit this. Armani, he's teething, so he's biting anything that he can get his little paws on. So hopefully this concealer goes well with this foundation because there is times where foundations and concealers don't mix and then they separate. Concealer makes you look so freaking smooth. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna be giving my Huda Beauty powder a break. Today I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar powder. This powder I have been seeing people use and I want to see for myself how it looks if it doesn't have flashback, because flashback for me is a big thing. I'm just gonna shake this up and use this powder puff to apply the actual powder. Oh my gosh guys, so this powder is feeling very smooth on my skin and this applicator is really good for packing it on. And since I'm on the tanner side right now, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Hotel High Risk bronzer. This one's very dark. It is more like on the reddish brown side, so I'm just gonna be very light-handed with this. So it can get a little muddy a little quickly, so you have to be very light-handed. I'm one to love to go overboard with my bronzer, so I'm just going back in with that powder. So this bronzer has a pretty color, but you have to be very light-handed. So I used too dense of a brush, so I've switched over to this lighter brush here. I wish I had a discount code with Morphe, guys, because those are literally like the only brushes I use. So for right now, I'm done with the face. Now we're going to be moving on to the eyes. And today I will be using this brand new gorgeous Lime Crime Venus palette. They have iconic colors always, so I'm super excited to be showing you guys this palette today, and they're definitely colors out of my comfort zone. So I'm first going to be taking a light wash of Ripe. And when I say that I'm taking a light wash, it's only going to be like the tiniest little contrast in the crease. The other day is the first day that I actually started playing with makeup again, and I forgot how much I missed reds on my eyes, but today we're doing green tones. Now with the smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to be taking this color right here called In Bloom, which is like a mauve color. And what I'm thinking of doing is just taking this from the outer to the inner part of my eye, and then I'm gonna probably do a cut crease and then place this beautiful minty color on the lid. And now I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty concealer and a concealer brush to cut my crease.
Are you on video right now?
No.
Okay, hold on, I'm sorry to bother you. Let me just, hold on.
Nate, if I don't get a selfie, I'm blaming you. Ooh, guys, I have not done a cut crease in a minute, so I am excited. I'm just taking some on the back of my hand, my signature cut creases. If you guys have been here for a while, you guys know that I love my cut creases. Nate's calling again. Yes, Nate! Nate, literally my followers are so mad at you right now because you're interrupting the best part.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, alright, bye.
And now that my creases are cut, we're going to be going in with Obscure. We're going in with this beautiful mint green. I'm so excited to do this because back when I was younger, I was a little girl, my mom would always wear mint green like this. And I was always so excited to grow up when I would be at the age to wear makeup because it was like this little Revlon single. I always thought it looked so pretty on my mom. So now, here's my moment. This look is pretty much inspired by my mom. Ooh, guys, this mint color is everything right now. Now I'm gonna grab this color right here called Phoenix. It's like an orangey copper color. I'm just gonna be running it over top of where I placed the cut crease. What this does is it just enhances the shape a little bit more and adds more definition. Look at that difference. So here's the one that's defined. This one's the one that still hasn't been defined. And then for the brow bone, I'll be applying Radiance, which is like a pearlescent white. And for the lower lash line, I'll be applying this color called Classic, which is a nice maroon. And adding just a tiny little bit over here over top the cut crease again, just to even it out. And to blend that lower lash out, I'm going to be taking that pink color that we took in the beginning called In Bloom. So now we're going to be adding some eyeliner because I haven't done eyeliner in a minute. So I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner for the waterline. And then I'm also going to be taking this The Balm Schwing Liquid Eyeliner and do a dramatic wing. I'm not even going to lie, I'm nervous for this because I haven't done liquid liner in a minute. So, oh my gosh, okay. We can do this. Okay, I'm just gonna stop messing with it because I know if I keep going, I'm gonna jump off a cliff. Yum, good enough. Ooh, haven't done eyeliner in a while and I'm coming back this strong, girl. I still got it. So I already applied the Smashbox X-Rated Mascara and now I'm going to be going on with these Hypnotic Morphe lashes. Super pretty and wispy. I wanted them to be a little bit lighter but still pretty full so you can see my cut crease through the makeup. These lashes are freaking gorgeous, guys. This look, dang. Lime Crime also came out with 4 new glosses. I'm going to show you guys those in a second, but right now I'm going to be lining my lips with the LA Girl Perfection Precision Lip Liner in the shade Cafe. It's like a beautiful neutral tone brown. Okay, so I just lined my lips and I'm prepping for the glosses. So these are the glosses here. This is how they are packaged first. Such pretty packaging. And the back is where they show the different colors. These here are the 4 glosses. Look at how beautiful. The green one is super different but very pretty. So let's first do the green one since it is really cool looking. It freaking smells like Jolly Ranchers. Guys, oh, this is so pretty. Wow. So that one was Cherry Slime, so pretty. Like I feel like I even want to wear this with this look because I have the green on. So this next one here is in the shade Sparkling Cherries. This one's more on the champagne-y side. This one's a more metallic, so let's see how this one looks. Okay, yeah, so this one is a lot more metallic and shiny. So this is how this one looks right here. It makes your lips look 10 times bigger than they are. Okay, not 10 times bigger, but so plump and juicy. And now let's try this beautiful nude here. This is in the shade White Cherry. This one's a very pale pink shade, so let's try this one. I love my pale colors. So this one is very pale, but if you do wear a lip liner, I feel like I still kind of have to redo it since I was applying other ones on. This would look very nice and it wouldn't look too crazy, but I feel like this looks really pretty. And then lastly, I'll be doing this one here, which is in the shade Unripe Cherry, and I'm so excited to try this one because I think that this might be the one that I'm wearing for this look. It's just a perfect pale peach. Ooh, my weakness. Oh my god, if I could scream while I was doing my lips. Whew. Oh my gosh, this one's my favorite shade. I love it. Okay, my angels, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial using the new Lime Crime Venus palette. If you guys did like it, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below what you guys want to see next and if you guys like this look, and I will be more than happy to do more videos that you guys want to see. I'm falling in love with doing my makeup crazy all over again because I need to stop getting out of my neutral tones, and now that I have, I love it again. So I'm so excited to bring you guys these looks again, and I will talk to my angels in the next video.